Sculpt Your Body, unlocking the secrets to physical transformation. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that combines language learning with a touch of fitness inspiration. Sculpt your body. This phrase is not just about fitness. It's a powerful example of how English can be vivid and metaphorical. So, let's explore what it means, how to use it, and why it's motivational for many. Sculpt your body is a phrase that beautifully merges the worlds of art and fitness. To sculpt traditionally means to carve, shape, or mold materials like clay or stone into a desired form. When applied to the body, it metaphorically means improving one's physique through exercise and nutrition to achieve a desired look or shape. It implies a careful, dedicated process, much like an artist working on a masterpiece. This phrase goes beyond the simple idea of working out. It embodies a holistic approach to fitness, emphasizing discipline, creativity, and transformation. Sculpt your body suggests that with the right tools and efforts, anyone can shape their body into a healthier, stronger version of themselves. It's a reminder that our bodies are like clay in our hands, capable of being molded with patience and persistence. In English, sculpt your body can be used in various contexts, especially related to fitness and wellness. For example, motivational contexts. This year, my goal is to sculpt my body into the best shape of my life. Advisory contexts. If you want to sculpt your body, you should consider a mix of cardiovascular exercises and strength training. Inspirational contexts. Stories or testimonials often include phrases like, "I transformed my life and sculpted my body," proving anything is possible with hard work. We hope this exploration of Sculpt Your Body has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also inspired you to think about physical fitness in a new, artistic way. Remember, sculpting your body is a journey of transformation, discipline, and creativity. Whether you're discussing fitness goals or admiring someone's dedication to their health, this phrase adds depth and inspiration to the conversation. Thank you for watching, and we hope you feel motivated to sculpt your masterpiece.